today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 2019 dream board. Hey everyone, I'm Girls with Heart Akiley and you're watching DIYG, which stands for Do It Yourself, Girl. Are you ready to jump into 2019 with creativity and positivity? I am. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 2019 dream board. The project tips for this video are listed down below in the description box. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you want to see what this board looks like at the end because, man, it's lit. In order to make your 2019 dream board, you'll need a glue stick, some scissors, some stickers, tape, or a glue stick, although I've already named the glue stick, some markers, and I personally have cut out words and sayings from magazines, but that's optional. So first I'm gonna start off by putting the title right at the top of the board. And for that, I'm gonna be using these letter stickers. I love all the prints on it. So I'm going to name my board Dream Big. So now that I have my title, I'm going to take this pretty silver heart that I cut out and I'm going to put it smack dab in the middle because I want to be filled with love this year in 2019. Make sure you press it down really good so that it doesn't end up popping up later. I found this top 5 kind of cut out in a magazine and I found this travel word in a magazine. So I'm going to paste those together kind of at the top of my board since there are a lot of places I want to travel. And I'm going to put this really cool suitcase sticker next to it because I'm gonna need my suitcase if I'm gonna travel to places. Now I'm going to write down the rest of my places because unfortunately, I didn't have any more cut out. These are my top 5 places that I would like to travel. So now I'm going to write some things that I'm going to commit to learning. Things that make me happy. Hula hooping, eating, especially eating. When people smile, new things, laughing, and of course, justice. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so I'm gonna put that somewhere over here, probably exactly where I'm hovering it over. I just had to put a star next to the 2 top things, because I mean, come on now. So now I'm gonna put all of these food stickers around it, because I like food, okay? Now I'm going to put this adorable ketchup bottle because I do like ketchup, especially with French fries. So this month it's actually my birthday and I'm planning on celebrating it because I always celebrate my birthday. And I'm going to start off by putting on some of these stickers. So now I'm going to paste down some other words that I found. I found save and create your own brand. Save is so that I can save my chore money and save up lots of money. And I also have that red create your own brand saying. Well, it's not a saying, but it's the words on the paper. And now I'm going to paste that down because my mom always taught me to have something that no one else can take from you. Whether it's a brand or it's a company or your own shop or something you love doing. Well, I think this turned out great. Let me know in the comments down below how your vision board turned out. Let me know if you have any ideas or recipes or projects you'd like to see me do in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and always remember, you can do it yourself, girl. Bye!